teenager will be all grown up out on their own. They are learning so much and being exposed to so much right now between their final classes and semesters in high school. They're applying for colleges, they're dating, learning about true friendships. But there's one skill that it is vital for them to master, and that's money. Join me today as I talk about the 4 things your teen needs to become a future millionaire. Hi, parents. I'm Holly Reid Tootle, the creator of the masterplaybook.com, and you are in the right place if you want to raise money smart kids and give them a solid financial foundation. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell. One of the things I always say, it is difficult to master what you've never been taught. And money management is just one of those life skills that we absolutely have to prioritize it and make sure that our teens are learning everything that they can, that we equip them with all the tools, all the know-how, all the knowledge so that they can be successful financially once they are truly out on their own. So today I'm talking about 4 things your teen needs to become a future millionaire. Number 1, confidence with money. Our teens have to develop a confidence when it comes to managing money. And what that looks like is when our teens have a healthy relationship with money. When they have a healthy relationship, they know how to spend wisely. They know how to save for a rainy day. And one of the ways that they build confidence with money is through step number 2. They need budgeting practice. And all it takes is a few minutes every week where your teen is tracking their expenses. You can do it with them to hold them accountable, but it's important that they see where their money is going. And a lot of parents think, oh, well, I don't give my child an allowance, so how can they get budgeting practice? One way they can do it is you can carve out a small piece of the family budget in order to give your child that practice. So it can be the family's entertainment budget or the family's eating out budget. So you give it to your teen to manage where they are tracking those expenses and making sure they're staying within that allotted amount to spend. Number 3 is your teen needs to make sure they have some money making skills. Now, this is a good one because a lot of our teenagers, they may not exactly know what skill that they have, but this is where you as the parents can encourage your teen to think of ways, have them write on a blank sheet of paper, maybe 10 to 20 ways that they can use their special skills, their talents, their special expertise on a particular topic or subject to earn extra money. All right. Make them do it. Write down a list, 10 to 20. And while they are still under your roof, allow them to explore and go deeper on 1 or 2 to see if something actually clicks. So that, again, they can build that confidence with money, get that budgeting practice all through those money-making skills. Now, the number 4 and the most important thing that your teen needs in order to become a future millionaire is they need to participate in our Future Millionaire Money Camp for Teens. Yep, it is a 4-week long where it's just 1 hour per week where I take your teen and I will teach them, share with them, expose them to the money management skills that they will need to actually thrive in the real world. Now, in the show notes, I will include a link. I'm hosting a few information sessions over during this month, and I want you to join me. So just look for the link in the show notes, register to join one of the information sessions so you can learn more about our special curated experience just for your teenager. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time.